Hello guys, today I've got the MOTOROLA Edge 70 Fusion and we are going to fix the lock orientation, screen rotation not working. So at first check if you have this rotation lock enabled. This is the first and the most important thing to check. So open settings and here scroll down to the display. Here as you can see we've got the auto rotate screen. I have disabled, so enable this option and check if it works. If it works, that's nice, but a surprising number of broken rotation cases are just rotation lock enabled. And I had this issue on my iPhone, but it's kind of hidden, so just check if you have it disabled or enabled. So apart from that, what I do recommend to do actually is to restart your phone. Hold power and volume up, restart, and now just wait. If rotation suddenly stopped, for a moment, it worked, but now it doesn't. Just need to try to restart your phone once. Sensor glitches can clear with just a reboot. Simple, but often effective. If rotation works in some applications but not in others, that may be the app issue, not the phone. Test rotation in YouTube, Google Chrome, Gallery or Photos. Just Google Photos. If one application fails but others rotate, this is the app issue. Update or reinstall that application or check the application settings for it. Check if an accessibility or launcher setting is interfering. So I don't know what you may have set in your accessibility settings, but I can show you where to find them and what settings you can have enabled that may interfere with it. So if you have some third-party launchers, it may be the issue. If you have some automation applications that are third-party installed, try to get rid of them or just temporarily stop. So here, go open accessibility, and now what you may have enabled that may be as affecting this. Magnification can affect this, so try to disable it for a moment, like this option. Accessibility menu shouldn't actually, but what is here? Live caption can interfere with it. And where is that? Wait a moment. I need to find it because I know what I meant, but no, it's not here. No, it wasn't extra dim. Switch access. As you can see, switch access. Switches can help you control your Android device if it is difficult to directly interact with the touch screen. A switch can be externally connected with your device, like a keyboard or large button. This, I know, it's kind of useful for you, maybe, but this can interfere with it. So apart from that, toggle this auto rotate off and on again. So go to the display, and I don't know if you have tried this, but try to toggle this off and then on. Off, 10 seconds, on. Basic, but worth trying. If the sensor seems stuck, test the gyro behavior or test accelerometer. Open something that clearly uses motion, like tilt in racing game, use compass, mouse rotation, or test camera leveling if you have it enabled, and check if it works for you. If motion sensors seem broken generally, could be sensor issue and not just rotation, and you need to contact device support to fix this issue. And actually that's it. Goodbye.